I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
Deceive. To mislead by a false appearance. My mom thinks I'm going to a meeting. She is being deceived. But the end justifies the means, right?
Welcome.
What's up, man?
How can I help you today?
I need $10,000.
All right. What do you have as collateral? Whose watch is this?
That's mine. My dad gave it to me as a gift.
10? Give me a minute, let me check it out. Got 30 days to pay me back, plus interest. You understand? Or it's mine. You understand?
See you in 30. Entrepreneur. A person taking on greater than normal financial risk. This is going to seem like a happy ending. But this chapter is the beginning of the worst moment of my life.
When it rains, it pours. Water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end.
Hello?
Be here Thursday, 2 o'clock. And Billy, don't waste my time.
You gotta raise a little